On to the next week on the funded account. Hopefully, I can continue and start a brand new win streak to follow the winning trade that I took on Wednesday last week. But let's just see how that goes. So on Monday to start of the week, no trade opportunities for the bullish bias that I had. I was looking for a retracement down, preferably inside this 15-minute gap while running pre-market lows. But seeing as price was going higher, I wanted to see a nice closure on the 15-minute above this 15-minute gap to inverse it, but the first 15 minutes didn't inverse the gap and the candle closed quite ugly, while the second one closed quite high above the imbalance and I didn't enter because of that. Either way, I would have gotten stopped out at break even. And yeah, there appears to have been a good short opportunity if you were to have shorted from these swing highs right here all the way to the daily lows. But yeah, I didn't take that since I was bullish and I'm not one to short at all time highs. On Tuesday, we're back with more losing trades as I took this loss on NASDAQ. Yeah, although this was a good entry, I didn't follow my plan by not having my stop loss at this swing low, which should have resulted in me getting stopped out at break even instead of losing. Yeah, immediately after I entered, after price inversed this 1 minute imbalance, following a retracement inside the 15-minute gap, as well as a run of these several 1 minute swing lows. I entered from this 1 minute inversion, like I said, and right after I entered, like 20 seconds, I got stopped out since price came down quite a lot. And yeah, like I've said, I should have gotten out at break even since my stop should have been at this swing low. But unfortunately, I didn't respect my plan with this, and yeah, because of that, I got stopped out to lose around $180. Wednesday was another case of price stopping me out at break even before going to hit my take profit. So I was still bullish for today and I saw that price was inside this hourly imbalance. Off open, we took out these pre-market lows, just wicked below them, and we inversed this 3 minute gap right here with these two candles. And so I entered after that inversion, looking to go break even at these 15-minute highs and start trading my stop loss in the middle of the OT of this down leg. And yeah, pretty soon price went to my break even spot after dipping just slightly. And after this, it reacted from this 3 minute imbalance, which I marked out, and it stopped me out at break even. After that, price went on to sort of bounce around this area before eventually starting to trend again and would have hit my take profit had I still been in the trade at the time. So yeah, another sad case, like I said, where I got stopped out at break even. So to recap the week, on Thursday and Friday, I was unable to trade. So that means that I was able to trade on just 3 days out of the five in this week. And I ended up taking two trades, one loss and one break even. Although, if we're being honest, uh, both should have been a break even trade, since on the first trade, I didn't put my stop loss where I should have, and that led to me getting stopped out the minute I entered instead of almost getting stopped out, but then eventually going break even. So, yeah, that's what should have happened. But overall, again, yeah, not a great week. I broke my winning streak of one, and I'm back to losing weeks. $180 lost this week, and I'm around the starting account balance, so $50,000. Yeah, not a great week to say.